The CURT Seat Defender is a universal, use-as-needed seat cover protection system that readily installs whenever you need it. It provides an instant defense against dirt, spills, pet dander, and any other threats to your vehicle's interior. What makes it unique is its use-as-needed design. Rather than being a permanent cover-up for unsightly interior that has already been damaged, Seat Defender seat covers act as a barrier to prevent damage before it happens. Unlike seat covers that require tedious installation, the Seat Defender is designed to be easy to put on and take off whenever needed. It attaches securely to the headrest and conforms to the shape of the seat, giving the seat a tough, waterproof outer layer. The CURT Seat Defender is easy to remove, easy to store, and easy to keep clean. Because it's not a permanent seat cover, it's designed for fast cleanup, fast fold-up, and fast installation the next time you need it. It easily protects against wet clothes, dirty tools, muddy sports equipment, shedding pets, sandy swimsuits, messy fast food, and more. It's also 100% machine washable and can be stored in any small compartment in your vehicle. The CURT Seat Defender is made out of a two-sided material to provide a sophisticated barrier against potential threats. The underside is a layer of water-resistant thermoplastic rubber known as TPR. TPR is durable and wear-resistant and provides added comfort and safety by gripping the surface of the seat. The top side is a woven 600 denier terylene fabric that keeps dirt and spills out and also maintains comfort for the user. Seat Defender is the perfect seat cover for cars, trucks, minivans, SUVs, and more. They're great for pet owners, outdoor enthusiasts, sports lovers, industrial and commercial workers, beachgoers, and many others. They also make great baby car seat covers. If you're interested to learn more about the CURT Seat Defender or where to purchase one, check out the dealer locator in the description below. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with Keys to Ride.